Do the starts again, only because you still don't believe that you can just go right through it. You want to go to it. Go right through it. There's a hesitation just before you get to the ictus. Go right straight through it. Good. 2. Not so good. 2 again. No. Yes. 4. That's the way you can practice it. You just start doing a 4 pattern, and you're just conducting a 4 pattern, and then isolate in your mind what it feels like to go to 2. What does that feel like to go through that second beat? Okay. And then try just the second beat out of the 4 pattern. Your 4 pattern is good. It has good smooth gestures all the way through it. And for some reason, when we start, we think we have to do something different. We don't. It's just starting on 2, right outside of a 4 pattern. You just take it, boom, that's what it feels like to start on 2. Okay? Different way to look at it. Comments?
You're flipping your wrist over, and then when you go out to 3, and sometimes on 2 actually, and when you come back to do a downbeat, it still turns, so you don't even.
Good catch. I didn't see that.
Sometimes I think your first finger.
A little bit louder.
Sometimes I think your first finger is kind of beating and stay down a little bit.
Now, usually when somebody rolls over, I catch it when they roll back because the tip of the baton has to accelerate to roll it. So I think palm down at this point is a good way to think. Is palm to the side wrong? No. I would prefer that you don't do palm to the side right now. Maybe in 15 years. We really get this palm down thing going. Anybody else? Yes, ma'am.
It looks like you're moving your elbow a lot during your pattern, like 1.
Do you know why? Anybody catch why?
I feel like it's too far extended.
Actually, Allison was too far extended. He's not too far extended, but there is something else going on there, Tim. What else?
He's not pulling through with each harmonic.
Okay. Anybody else? Yeah.
To me, it kind of looks like you're leading with your elbow more than your wrist. Like you're really, you do like a really nice legato, and it's really smooth, but it's like really small. So it seems like more of it's coming from your elbow.
And you're on the right track. He has this notion that 2 is over here and 3 is over here. And he's using a really small wrist. So in order to get it over there, he has to throw it over with his elbow and throw it back with his elbow. And I do think that makes it look like you're leading with your elbow. That's the non-focused ictus, non-focused icti. And you can focus icti, which is just everything is at the center, and you don't have to move so far left to right. I think it's a combination of all of what everybody said. I don't think any one of those is particularly the sole source of the issue. And the fact that people bring it up is something for you to consider. Because it's something that and I put it in quotes, distracts them somehow, all right? Okay,